When you are charged with a serious felony, the state has the upper hand, and it's our job to level the playing field.
My job as a trial attorney is to tell my client's story. So often through this process, our clients are told to remain silent, and we don't have a lot of time or opportunities to present the real version of events that happened.
Oftentimes, the state's case is fueled by bias, and the people that they choose to interview only tell the narrative that isn't always the full truth and sometimes is entirely wrong.
An arrest in North Carolina is usually what initiates the process on a state criminal case, but there are so many steps after that. If it's a violent offense, if it is a sexual crime, if it is a drug trafficking offense, or any more serious case, initially the individual is going to be denied bond. This is the perfect opportunity to hire an experienced team like ours to come in and argue bond on behalf of your loved one. Often our fees can pay for themselves in that very first hearing if we're able to negotiate and really inform the court all sides of the story.
We carefully comb through the evidence, not only to see what was gathered, but how it was gathered, to fill the gaps that the state misses. Because if it was not gathered permissibly, that evidence could be suppressed and not used at trial.
And that's where we as the defense counsel have to be very proactive, learning about the case from our client, interviewing witnesses, and doing anything we can to understand and get ahead of the police investigation in the case. We understand when we take on a case, we are taking on not just that life, but the lives of all the family members who support and depend upon our client. So the sooner you get an experienced advocate on board, the better off you're going to be.